from Moreland.
With nearly 100% possible sunshine and mild temperatures, today was the calm before the storm. The storm is going to warm us up this weekend and then turn us drastically colder as we head into next week. Look for highs in the 30s for Saturday and Sunday. Some spots will approach 40. Much colder on Monday with highs struggling to hit 10 and then staying cold as we head through next week. Right now, temperatures across northeast Wisconsin range from 18 degrees in Antigo to 32 degrees in Watoma. Most spots are currently in the 20s, including Green Bay, where it is 26 degrees, and we have slowly increasing high clouds from the southwest. It is 25 right now in the valley with calm winds. High pressure, our main weather maker today, but it is shifting off towards the east, which means our next bigger weather maker is now approaching from the south and west. It's an area of low pressure now taking shape here across New Mexico and Colorado. You can see it's still producing a lot of snow across the southern Rockies, and it's going to produce a ton of snow as it pulls out into the central part of the country. Tomorrow and Sunday, we already have numerous warnings, watches, and advisories from the Rockies all the way up into our neck of the woods, even some blizzard warnings across parts of Minnesota, Iowa, and Nebraska. Watch the storm move across Wisconsin as we head through tomorrow. It's going to make its way right across the Fox Valley, which means we're going to be on the warmer side of the storm. The heaviest snow will be north and west of the Fox Valley. So from the Fox Valley towards the lakeshore, the primary precipitation will be in the form of rain. A couple of thunderstorms are also possible, but we'll also see some snow, sleet, and freezing rain from the Fox Valley towards the lakeshore. North and west of the Fox Valley, we're going to be looking at a lot more of that wintry mix or just plain old snow. On Sunday, behind this strong storm, winds could gust up to around 50 miles per hour or stronger, and with the threat of heavy rain and a couple of thunderstorms, some minor flooding is possible. Definitely some ponding of water on area roads. So we're looking at a winter weather advisory for tomorrow morning into the early afternoon for areas to the south and west of the Fox Valley. But once again, we're all basically going to see the same thing as we head through tomorrow. And then tomorrow night into Sunday morning, we have that winter storm watch up for areas north and west of the Fox Valley. That's when the brunt of the storm moves through. Skycast shows that first batch of wintry mix making its way into the viewing area tomorrow morning, mainly in the form of snow initially, but then as some warmer air starts to creep in from the south, we'll see a little bit of freezing rain or some sleet mix in. Then we'll have a break in the action for the afternoon and early evening before the main part of the storm moves in tomorrow night with heavy rain, a couple of thunderstorms, a wintry mix, and some snow. As it shifts off to the north and east, colder air wraps in behind the storm. Everything goes back to some snow by Sunday morning before tapering to flurries as we head into the early afternoon. From the Fox Valley towards the lakeshore, it's going to be that messy mix instead of snow because temperatures are going to warm up into the mid and upper 30s as we head through the afternoon and evening. And with that storm tracking pretty much right over the Fox Valley, we're going to tap into some instability. So there's actually a chance for a thunderstorm or two. The Storm Prediction Center has much of the viewing area under a general risk for thunderstorms as we head into tomorrow evening. And when you're talking about thunderstorms, you're talking about the potential for some locally heavy rainfall amounts. Here's the rain forecast as we head through the storm. You can see from this dashed line south and east, it's going to be mainly rain, and some of the totals will be impressive. A half an inch to an inch of rain is possible. North and west, these totals are going to be in the form of a mixture or snow, and that's where the heaviest totals will be. 8 to 16 inches from northwestern Shawano County up into northwestern Marinette County, and then from near Wapaka to around Shawano up to Mountain. Towards Pembine, about 4 to 8 inches, 2 to 4 inches here from, let's say, Montello to Watoma to around Shiocton and Clintonville to Bondwell up towards Oconto, and then the Marinette-Menominee area. And then where we have more of that mixture or just rain, it's going to be a dusting to perhaps a couple of inches. Now, as the storm pulls away from Wisconsin, we can expect very gusty winds on Sunday, 45 to 50, maybe 55 miles per hour. So your forecast for tonight calls for skies to turn cloudy shortly. Temperatures will dip into the upper teens and then climb towards daybreak. Tomorrow morning, that messy mixture during the morning, then cloudy skies, and then the brunt of the storm moves through tomorrow night into Sunday morning. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 30s. Snow tapers to flurries on Sunday with very gusty winds. Temperatures in the low to mid 30s, early then falling. 10 for a high on Monday, some more snow on Tuesday, and then staying cold as we wrap up February and move into March with high temperatures running 10 to 15 to almost 20 degrees below normal for this time of year.
That is some wild weekend weather.
Yeah, I mean, if you're unhappy with the weather that's, going to be occurring at your house the next 24 to 36 hours, you can just drive an hour or so either direction, east or west, and that'll change dramatically.
That's incredible.
Hop on a snowmobile, go northwest to find